So we just left the temple. Well, we're still here at the temple, and this is my cousin Nicholas. Say hi.
Hi.
And it is gorgeous, you guys. The colors were so pretty. Really pretty baby blue colors with yellows and gold. The bride's dressing room was absolutely gorgeous. Celestial room, all of it. It was just so pretty. So many beautiful just details, of course, but the spirit was strong. I'm just so glad we came. It was beautiful, and I'm so thankful for the Kansas City temple. Like, this temple is beautiful, but it's not as big for one. So you can do a little bit more. There's more ceiling rooms in the Kansas City temple where I'm from, but this one was just it's beautiful. I'm so happy that the saints here in Arkansas have this temple to go to now. What a blessing. And Nicholas, do you want to say anything about how you felt here at the temple today?
I mean, first temple, so I really loved it, and I felt the Holy Ghost and God and Jesus. So, I mean, yeah, I did feel a lot, and I really loved it.
Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, this was his first time coming through a temple. His first temple experience. So it was a self-guided tour. So I got to take him through each room and explain to him what we do in each room. Of course I couldn't tell him everything, but the instruction room and all of that, and just how we progress through the temple and what the meaning is and how the symbolism of it. So I'm just so glad that we got to do this together.
Yay.
It was awesome. So I know this will be, I'm hoping this will be have a lasting effect on him. Because you guys know how crazy it is, the world we live in. And I just want to keep his eyes turned towards, making covenants here and living worthy enough to come to the temple someday. So what a blessing. All right, you guys, bye.